Hi, I'm Jackie Partridge from Jackie Partridge Art. Today we're going to be painting a beginner boho rainbow painting. So what you'll need is a rag, a cup of water. I'm painting on a thick paper like watercolor paper or acrylic paper. You can also choose canvas or canvas board. I have a flat 1-inch brush, number 6 round brush, as well as a small round brush for details. On my palette I have ultramarine blue, Mars black, cobalt blue, some permanent green light, cadmium red, primary magenta, Naples yellow, cadmium yellow, and titanium white. You'll also need a piece of colored chalk and some kind of round bowl or something like that to get your curved line for your rainbow. So I'm just going to kind of measure it like so and trace around my bowl, and then I'm going to do that a few more times. Alright, so I've got 5 different lines there, different sections. Alright, so we're going to begin by painting this kind of background area. We're going to do a light gray for both. So I'm going to use some titanium white and a little bit of Mars black. And just cover that completely. You can do about 2 coats. You can paint in different directions to create a nice textured background if you would like. And if you don't want to trace around a bowl, you could also freehand your rainbow too. And a little bit more white. If you want to do a different color background, you can do that as well. And I'm not cleaning my brush in between colors. So once you're happy with the background, we're just going to let that dry for about 20 minutes or so. All right, so next we're going to begin to paint the stripes of our rainbow, and I'm going to use some different pastel colors. You can choose whatever colors you want. If you want, you can try to pick colors that are similar, maybe on a value scale, so you could work from dark to light. You could place colors randomly. It's really up to you. If you're going to be hanging this in a bedroom or a nursery or something like that, you can choose different colors to go with the artwork as well. So I'm going to be using my round number 6 brush. I'm going to start with Naples yellow. I think I'm going to just paint my colors kind of randomly. So I'm going to paint that in the middle. If you don't have Naples yellow, you could try mixing cadmium yellow with titanium white. Okay. Next, I'm going to mix some of my primary magenta with a bit of Naples yellow. Just make sure you have enough paint on your brush so that you can make a nice smooth line next to the color you just painted. Okay, and then I am going to mix this color with some titanium white. And then for this one, I kind of have still a bit of gray for my background showing through. So I'm just going to do another coat of it. In some parts. Okay. And you can always let it dry and do some more touch-ups if you want more of a solid color, but I'm happy with it. Okay, the next two colors. I think I'm going to do an orange with a little bit of white. So some cadmium red, cadmium yellow, and some titanium white. Now I'm going to take some of my magenta and just mix it with that, and then add some more white to it. And since that color is quite similar, I think I'm just going to add a little bit more magenta to it. Okay, so now we're going to let that dry for about 20 minutes so that we can add our Posca pen design on the top. Posca pens come in a bunch of different colors. You can buy them at your art supply store or on Amazon. And this is white that I'm using. You can also use black or a different color that might go well with your rainbow painting. So this size is 1.8 to 2.5 millimeters, and this size is 0.9 to 1.3 millimeters. So I have a couple of Posca pen painting videos, and I'll be sure to link those in the description. If you've never worked with Posca pens, I also have a Posca pen painting tutorial that I will link as well. So with our Posca pen, we just want to shake it up. You could also use a different paint pen that you have or a Sharpie, but I really like a Posca pen. And then we're just going to decide which stripe we want to add a design with our Posca pen. You can also leave some stripes a solid color as well. And then you can just decide what kind of design you want to do. So in this one, I'm just going to do some dots. Like that. And then in this one, I think I'm going to do a squiggle line. And then the top line, I'm going to do a zigzag. And in between these two colors, I'm just going to do a dotted line. And I think I like it like that. So I'm just going to leave it. If you wanted, you could paint a bit of clouds on your rainbow, or you could paint some different designs. Again, you can paint more stripes, you can have different colors. You can decide what you would like to do. All right, so there you have your boho rainbow painting. Hopefully this gave you some inspiration to complete your own do-it-yourself boho rainbow painting. If you like this video, be sure to like it and make sure you subscribe to this channel to see other acrylic painting tutorials. Thanks for watching. Happy painting. Bye.